Hi everyone, we are very excited to share with you the Asia Pacific IT strategy and priorities for 2015. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Martin Bukleo, our VP IT Asia Pacific, to give you the updates.
Hello everyone, and greetings from Thailand, Bangkok, Sawadee-krap. Well, today I've been asked to talk about our long-range plan. So every year, our president gets the Asia Pacific Executive Leadership Team together, and we talk about the things that we need to do to prepare for the future to operate Marriott International. And as a result of that, I also get our IT team together, and we put together our own long-range plan to support the business plan. So let's go through to some of the areas. The first is growth. Planning for the future, that's very important. So we're really actually living the model now for our future growth. And part of this in our organization includes both internal resources as well as consultants that we use to scale up and scale down as activity occurs in Asia Pacific. Now, the next thing I'd like to talk about is guest experience. Now, it's important to understand in Asia Pacific that there's different types of competition. We have at one scale the Peninsula Group and at the other Holiday Inn. So positioning our company's brands in the right place is really important. So what are we doing here in Asia Pacific? Well, we have a great TV, we have great Wi-Fi. So those are the two big priorities. In addition to that, innovation plays an important role so that we keep up to date with what's going on and the needs of our guests. Now let's move on to the next key area, local requirements. Well, you can imagine here in Asia Pacific with so many different countries, we have to set our technology model to suit each. So Japan and Korea is one environment, Australia, New Zealand, Pacific another, China another, and India another. So we have to consider all the different local environments and the needs and how they differ and the languages. They're all very different in our markets. Finally, and in my opinion most important, we have to have the right people and the right technology leaders available in our continent to support the IT plan, to support the business strategy and long-range plan. Now, to do that, we've focused on some important areas, including recognition, training, teamwork, and promotion of our existing workforce. And finally, and most importantly, our cluster organisation that we've been building up over the last few years successfully also provides us the room to grow. Thank you very much.
My name is Brian Tran. I'm Senior Director IT, Projects and Infrastructure for Asia Pacific. We are currently working on over 200 new build and acquisition hotels. In 2015, we're working on 30 potential openings. And out of those 30 openings, around 50% are in China, 15% in India, and the rest are scattered around Asia Pacific. I'd like to now take you on a tour of some of the hotels that we're opening. The JW and Ritz-Carlton Macau, JW Anji in China, JW Mumbai Airport Sahar, and the Ritz-Carlton Ubud Bali, Indonesia. As you can see, it's an exciting time to be part of the Asia Pacific team. We're building fantastic hotels and products, and we're focused on growth, which makes it even more exciting.
Hi, my name is Egbert Veldman, Senior Director of IT for Asia Pacific Core Technologies. One of our additional focus points is property internet. Our goal is to improve our guest voice this year by 4 points, and we do that by focusing on 3 pillars. Our first pillar is the infrastructure. We're increasing our bandwidth, we're improving our wireless in the hotels, and we're focusing on the headends, where the headend is the bottleneck for the hotel. Next to that, we're working closely with our partners. We're bringing in a new GPNS vendor from New Zealand, which is Rivernet, and we're working closely with Gestec to upgrade to their new OVI system. With our properties, we're working closely to upgrade and review their contracts to make sure that all the hotels have a valid contract. And there's additional initiatives underway, such as improved bandwidth management and routing. Finally, in our support, we are rolling out Project Touchpoint to all hotels, which moves the support from the property internet vendor to our AWS department in the hotel. And finally, we're rolling out our Transformer project that enables our hotel IT staff to completely support the property internet in their hotels.
Hi, my name is CK Koo. I'm the Senior Director of IT for Greater China. This year, our focus for Greater China region began with Project ChinaNet. This is an MPRS network infrastructure project to enhance the property connectivity with the US corporate office. Property internet has been an ongoing effort to improve our internet score by engaging more with our guests due to government restrictions on the Google and Google services. Project Gravity, this is to benchmarking Marrioot technology, cost of technology, perceptions of technology against a clear competitor set. VAT projects is a new initiative by the China government for the value-added tax, which will affect opera, symphony, as well as accounting package. Last but not least is the leadership development. We are trying to form more clusters in China, as well as focusing on the training to elevate our cluster leader. That's all for the initiative from China. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ashish Kale. I'm the Senior Director of IT for Asia Pacific for Operations, excluding China. Key priorities for me in 2015 is to upgrade the bandwidth to 250 kbps per room to enhance the guest internet experience. Implement Project Touchpoint, which is the AWS support, as well as Transformers, which is on-site technical support in the region. MPLS in India and Thailand is also a big priority to implement the MPLS network. Corporate has given us a direction of the Project SAM, which is the audit tool. So it's important for us to launch the audit tool as well in the region. Obviously, nothing happens without the people. Key priorities for me as well is to add more clusters in the region, specifically in countries like Indonesia, namely Bali, India, as well as a few locations in Thailand. And of course, elevate leadership in the field overall. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Carrie Chow, Field Services Manager, Asia Pacific. Further to our long-range plan to cultivate technology leadership, we are doing the following priorities. First and foremost, we are highly committed to leadership training and mentoring by implementing leadership training deck and mentoring program to the field. Secondly, we are trying to improve standalone IT engagement via assessing the reporting line change to the regional IT. Thirdly, we are continuing our effort to include more hotels under our cluster and share more success stories. And then fourthly, we are trying to increase the number of women in our team to strike the gender balance. Last, but definitely not the least, we are trying to increase our public exposure to promote Marrioot IT brand and get more resources for our talent via various platforms such as technology associations.